Install a code-compliant dumbwaiter sized for real trays so food and dishes move between floors safely and quickly. Start by measuring typical tray and plate dimensions and add clearance, so 50% of your largest serving tray fits easily. That means planning for width, depth, and height with an extra 2 inches on each side to avoid scraping. Choose a motor and counterweight or traction drive rated for the intended load and cycle frequency to prevent overheating and premature wear. Consult the drive manufacturer for duty cycle charts and select thermal protection and a delay timer for repeated short runs. Design a dedicated shaft with fire stopping and ventilation that meets local building and elevator codes and keeps smoke and noise out of living spaces. If the shaft passes through conditioned rooms, add insulation and gasketed doors for comfort. Include safety interlocks on doors so the dumbwaiter will not move unless the receiving door is fully closed and latched, and add an emergency stop and manual lowering procedure accessible to trained household members. Route wiring on its own circuit with a labeled disconnect at the service panel and coordinate with the electrician to provide a ground fault circuit interrupter when required by code and to size feeders for starting current. Plan installation access for the contractor by clearing staging areas at both ends and confirming hoist points for lifting the cab and counterweights to cut labor time and avoid damage to finishes. Common mistakes include underestimating internal dimensions and buying a unit too small, which leads to repeated trips and broken plates. Remedy that by measuring real trays and adding clearance before ordering. Another issue is skipping code coordination, which causes costly rework and delays. Avoid this by having the contractor submit drawings to the local building official and get written confirmation of required fire stopping and interlock details. Homeowners also often ignore maintenance and training, leading to jams and unsafe operation. Set up a simple routine of monthly checks on door interlocks, cables, and motor temperature, and teach all regular users how to load evenly and use the emergency stop. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like these, making it easier to find local professionals who handle dumbwaiter installations and related wiring and structural work. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share project ideas, troubleshooting tips, and real experiences so we can learn from each other.